Hello guys, this is Krishna. Thank you for joining me on this new video. What we're gonna cover in this short video is how you can delete blog post in your WordPress website. So over here I'm starting from my Cloudways panel admin, if you could call it. And if you don't already have, maybe I don't know what else web hosting you have, highly recommend that you check out Cloudways, just because I think it's really flexible, really powerful. It allows you to have multiple application in a single server, but at the same time, a lot of the the web hosting out there, they have you pay per year. This you pay monthly, so really flexible. You're gonna find in the description. I have a link there, which is a referral link. But as well, if you want to get an extra discount, you have a coupon code over here that's gonna give you 10% off for the next 3 months. So with that said, let's jump in here. So I am in my admin panel. I'm just gonna click over here. Looks like I'm already logged in, but if we go to the main application, this is what we have. The home page, just a normal website. And in the panel over here, where we need to go is if we want to see all the posts that we have, we're gonna click here on all posts. So this is an application that I just started here in Cloudways, and it took me about 5 minutes really to do that. So over here I have the post, and if I click on in the post over here to have a look at it, right? This is the post over here that I have, and let's say we want to delete that. Really easy. When you hover, you're gonna see over here you have edit, quick edit, and trash. This is what we want to select. When we're gonna trash it, what this is gonna do is gonna put it into a different category. So right now, when I go to all posts right now, there is nothing here showing up, but you're gonna see over here trash. There is one post that we have there in the trash. So posts that are in the trash, even though you have deleted the post, so if the post was live and somebody was trying to access that post, the same link, it will not be able to do it. However, the post is not entirely deleted, right? You can still get it back. So when we come up here to trash, you're gonna see this is our post that is over here. We can either restore it or delete permanently. If I click here on restore, it's gonna bring it back here. You see that now we don't have a trash folder anymore or trash tab anymore. We just have all, and right now this is a draft. But if we trash it and we come up here to trash and we decide to delete it permanently, it is gone forever. We cannot get it back unless maybe, with Cloudways you maybe have a backup for it, and you could go back in time to a certain point. That is definitely possible. So that's all I had for you today. If you have any question, feel free to let me know.